There is a couple of ways to see the reminders you have docket in CTS. So the first There is a couple of ways to see the reminders in CTS. One of them is when you log into CTS, it will pop up this current reminder list for you. This is a user preference that you can enable or disable the current reminder list to start when CTS starts. From here, you can enter the user ID that you want to wish. From here, you can enter the user ID that you wish to see the reminders for. Which is who, and you can search criteria by client, a case number, or a user in CTS. You can go ahead and search for a date range. Once you select a date range, for example, click on redisplay, and it will show you the reminders for the date range. On the right top corner, you have the color coding, and those are the red dates are overdue. The yellow dates are due dates within the next month, and the green dates are the due dates beyond 1 month. You can print this list You can print it in PDF or in Excel. You can also save it as a report, and you can access from the shortcuts Save Reports. Save. If you want to access a reminder, you just go and select the reminder, double click, and it will go directly to that reminder where you need to enter a done date. Click on save. It will clear, or actually it's going to gray out. It will enter a done date for the reminder, and it will be a gray color. Go back, it will save, and you go back. That reminder has a done date and it's completed. Another way to see the reminders is from the dashboard, and on the dashboard you will see the reminders for the user that you are logged in. So this is a new user, doesn't have any reminders, but if you go ahead and select all, you will see the all reminder. You will see all reminders for all cases within CTS. Click on the next week, or you can go back to previous week. You can print this Outlook calendar with the reminders in PDF and Excel. And if you want to access the reminder, you just go ahead and select, Wednesday, June 7, pay maintenance fee due dates. I'll just go ahead and enter today, save, close. It's still here, but when I go and select previous week and then go to the next week, which is June 7, it's completed. So this also works as a refresh on the Outlook calendar for the reminders. Another way to see the reminders for a month, you can click on inside calendar reminders. By default, it will say it will show you the reminders for the user that you are logged in. You can also select all, print it in PDF and in Excel. Also, you can see the reminders when you're in a case. They will show in the case reminder list here. If you click on history, you will see the case history reminders. The gray one are with the due date or completed. The yellow one are within the due date, it's within a month, and the green one are beyond 1 month. If we had a red one, it means that the past due date is, if there is a red one, it means it's in a past due date. You can create your reminder rules, and you can see the preference rules, which are the rules as per the USPTO laws and regulation. These rules, these preference rules, can be disabled. We don't recommend to disable them because those are critical due dates that needs to enter or to docket or to create a reminder for your case. But from here you can see the reminder defaults. For example, let's go and select another one. Receipt, filing receipt. It's 2 months after the filing date. This reminder will be created for the admin, and this reminder is enabled. If somebody disabled save, when you try to run a refresh reminder, it will actually populate, or it will, if you click on disable, save, and then run a refresh reminder, it will take place to all cases. If you just disable, save, and then when you try to docket a new case, it will apply the new rule for the new case. You can always see the original values, and you can also add some notes. Regarding the reminder rules, you can always create your own reminder rules based on the needs you need for the rule. There is another video for you how to create a reminder rules and how to add conditions for those reminder rules.